Hey everyone, it's Kath and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Kath and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you can join my family by clicking the subscribe button down below and the bell beside it so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. Umpisahan ko na yung review ko, pinaka-latest review ko ng iWhite Korea products. So meron akong tatlong biniling products from iWhite Korea. The iWhite 2-Minute Whitening Miracle, the Nose Pack, and the Facial Cream. And kung nagtataka kayo bakit dalawa na lang yung hawak ko, well, kagagaling ko lang ng shower and tinry ko na yung isa na binili kong wash-off face mask. And as you can see, I just put lip tint and I don't have any makeup on. Kakatapos ko lang gamitin yung wash-off mask ng iWhite and super duper ganda. So I'm actually here inside the bathroom and I'm going to try the iWhite peel off mask, and it's such a nice product. But first, let's talk about the texture. Here's the texture. It's like a gel, and basically you just have to apply it all over your face first and leave that for about 2 minutes before rinsing off. It's just a clear product when you apply that on your face and leave it for 2 minutes. And after that, if the texture is watery, then you can go ahead and massage your face. Rinse it well after massaging. Now here's what it looks like after applying. After application, meron siyang instant whitening effect, and at the same time, parang naging baby skin yung face. And as you can see, I don't have any makeup on, I don't have any foundation. This is my bare face after using the wash-off mask of iWhite. Alam naman natin na sobrang tagal lang ni-release yung iWhite Korea product here in the Philippines, and you can buy that at any convenience stores, any supermarket as well, online as well, and sobrang daming nag-rave nitong product na to online. And naisip ko, is it still effective? This is going to be the most updated review of iWhite Korea. Yung unang tinry ko is yung peel-off mask ng iWhite, and ililink ko na lang sa description box down below yung price list nitong tatlong binili ko. To be honest, the packaging itself, it's so compact and travel-friendly, yet super affordable. What I don't like about the packaging is that it tends to get so messy after using, especially kung may mga matitira. Syempre, hindi naman lahat, diba, maa-apply natin sa face natin. So, meron at meron talagang matitira sa sachet. So, that is why I'm not really fond of the sachet products just because it gets so messy. It's very affordable, and you know what? If you're just gonna buy it and you will travel, diba, pwede mo lang siyang isuksok sa bag mo, sa bulsa ng pouch mo. Yung first product na tinry ko is yung iWhite Peel Off Mask, and sobrang ganda. I'm gonna give that a 5 stars kasi sobrang ganda niya sa face, and peel off mask siya, so gel type siya pag in-apply mo sa face ninyo, and hindi siya malagkit sa face after use. Kailangan mo siyang ibabad ng 1 to 2 minutes sa face mo before mo i-massage yung face mo, and after massaging your face, you can go ahead and rinse it, and afterwards, you can tell the difference. So as you can see, medyo naging baby face siya. I am definitely going to buy the bigger packaging and bigger version of that product. I will definitely include that on my skincare routine. Kaya hindi ako naglagay ng kahit ano sa face ko, just lip tint and kilay to be more presentable lang sa inyo while giving my review, is because I'm going to try this one out. iWhite Nose Pack. So I've tried this before a lot of times, and titingnan natin kung effective ba talaga siya pangtanggal ng whiteheads and blackheads. And it says Goodbye blackheads and whiteheads. Well, I cannot say that I have a lot of blackheads and whiteheads, but aminin na natin, I don't have a perfect skin. So, at the back of it, makikita natin yung directions for use, ingredients, and kung ano yung kiniklaim nitong product. I-zoom in ko lang kayo while applying that on my nose and also on my chin area because I have whiteheads as well here. Just gonna put some here muna. And there. So, mabango siya. Hindi siya amoy glue. And it smells nice. So let's go ahead and oh my god, I'm so messy na talaga, diba? So ilalagay na natin siya dito sa ating nose area. As you can see there, I don't have a perfect skin. I break out sometimes and I have a lot of skin imperfections as well. That is why I'm trying out a lot of skincare products. So, tatanggalin muna natin yung ating mga whiteheads and blackheads. So, basically, ganyan lang siya. And kukuha pa tayo ng product. And then, there. So, basically, kakapalan lang natin yung application. I mean, mabango siya. Hindi siya masakit sa ilong. Hindi din siya matapang sa nose. So, yan. Kailangan makapal yung pag-apply natin kasi nga, kapag tinanggal natin para mas matanggal siya. And here on my chin area as well, nilalagyan ko din yan. Basically, iintayin lang natin siyang matuyo bago natin i-peel off. There you have it, guys. So I am done applying on my nose area and on my chin area. We just have to wait for 15 minutes.
A few minutes later.
Hey everyone, I'm back, and as you can see, I cannot really talk a lot because I cannot talk. It's hard for me to open my mouth kasi tuyo na siya, and that means that it's ready to peel off. So I'm gonna take you closer. Ayan. So kapag ganyan na, nagtuldok-tuldok na siya, you can go ahead and peel it off. Dry na siya. Actually, 10 minutes nga lang eh. And itong naman sa chin area ko, ganyan na din. Kapag ang hirap ng igalaw, pag nagsasalita ka, that means it's ready and you can peel it off. Ayun o. Ayan. Okay, so, remove muna natin itong chin, sa chin area ko. So, upward yung pa-remove natin. Okay. Medyo masakit siya, guys. Upward. So, kaya kailangan na makapal yung lagay nyo kasi para walang maiwan. Kasi pag manipis, mahirap siya tanggalin eh. Ayan. So, ito munang baba. Tapos saka natin tatanggalin pa akyat. Wait. Hey guys, 3, 2, 1. Ayan. And naging smooth siya. Pero you can see, meron pa ding naiwan. Ayan o. Meron pang mga naiwan. Dito sa nose area ko, you can tell na meron pa din talagang mga naiwang whiteheads. and blackheads, hindi siya talaga natanggal. And siguro, kailangan mo pang ulitin na 2 beses, 3 beses, or until satisfied ka na. Siguro mas kinapalan ko pa dapat yung lagay ko. But, kung iisipin mo, marami namang ibang product dyan na kahit manipis lang yung lagay mo is marami naman talagang nakukuhang whiteheads and blackheads. You can tell based sa pinakita ko sa inyo guys sa status ng aking nose and chin area after using that product na medyo hindi siya okay sa akin. Let's move on to the last iWhite product that I'm going to review. This one, of course, hinuli ko yung facial cream. This is the iWhite Korea facial cream 3-in-1. So this iWhite facial cream claims that it has whitening ingredients. It can also act as your makeup base, and it has SPF 15, which is for UV protection. So let's go ahead and try this one out. And yung back na expiration date is up until year 2021. So directions for use: apply on a cleansed and moisturized skin, blend well to ensure even application, and it's ideal for all types of makeup. Okay, so na nating patagalin. I'm so excited kasi wala pa ako nilalagay sa face ko. So itong facial cream daw pwedeng maging makeup base, but I'm not going to put any makeup on. Itatry lang natin siya. Smell siya ng lotion. Check the texture. Para siyang shaving cream. Hindi siya watery. It's really like a shaving cream for me. Maglagay lang muna tayo ng dot. So, ganito na lang yung gawin natin. Maglalagay muna ako on this side to compare the difference on the other side. You know what? Korean products will tend to really be super fair on your skin, especially if you have morena skin. And here in the Philippines, talagang kailangan pumili ka ng perfect shade kung meron kayong itatry. So talagang maputi siya sa skin kasi even though the shade is natural, besh, doon sa Korea, yung natural sa kanila sobrang puti, diba? Kasi yun na yung skin color nila. Gusto ko sa mga makeup base is yung merong UV protection, diba? Lalo na it's summer, so kailangan natin yan. Ayan, you can see, maputi siya. Even though na-blend, siguro dahil na parami lang ilagay ko or what. But since makeup base lang naman ito, I think a little goes a long way with this. Sobrang OA ko lang maglagay, pero a little goes a long way. And yun na nga masasabi ko dito. Kung ayaw mo ng heavy makeup and gusto mo parang BB cream type lang, then you should go ahead and buy this one. It's so nice. I mean, wala kasi itong shade, so ito lang talaga yung makukuha ninyo. Since a facial cream lang siya, konti lang yung ilagay nyo para mas maging natural looking siya and hindi siya sobrang puti sa face nyo. But I'm so amazed with this facial cream. So I will try this as my makeup base one of these days. I'm just gonna finish applying this product on my face and I'm gonna give my final verdict. There you have it guys, I'm done applying all the product all over my face and super fresh niya guys. So kung ayaw mo na maglagay ng foundation or any concealer outside, this one is perfect for you. Para siyang BB cream and sobrang ganda niya, especially kung na-blend siya ng maayos. It's also buildable, hindi siya yung pagkalagay mo and then nagpatong ka ulit ng second layer. Hindi ka magmumukhang multo besh kasi sobrang buildable niya. I can attest to that. And I'm gonna show you closely what my face looks like. Ayan o. sobrang ganda and parang para siya talagang BB cream. Hindi siya mainit sa balat, hindi siya malagkit sa balat, and sobrang bango din niya. So that is it for my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you can give this video a thumbs up. Share this video to your friends. Don't forget to comment what do you think about this product, or have you tried using iWhite Korea products? And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on my next one, and stay confident. Bye!